Guys, back with Bassington. Hope you're well. I hope you're all keeping safe. I've just purchased a new pair of men's boots today. Or I didn't actually purchase them yesterday, and they arrived by courier today. It's a brand that I've purchased once before. I had a pair of Chelsea boots by them, and I've been very, very impressed by the quality of the boots, how they wear and how comfortable they are. So I thought I'd purchase another new pair because these were in sale. I'm not under contract by this brand at all. I'm just recommending them because I think they are very, very good value for money. So without further ado, I will unbox them. And here they are. They are by Dubarry of Ireland. I mean, I like the way they brand of Ireland on all their corporate branding. Dubarry actually transferred the production from Ireland to Portugal of all their boots and I think of all their garment making. In fact, all the stuff they produce in 2004. They're still headquartered in Ireland, of course. The management's still there. They did it for cost reasons, but Portugal is well known for producing high-end quality shoes. So I have no problems with the fact that they're made in Portugal. So I will just unbox them. These are called the Waterville. They're in a camel colour and they're a suede, and here they are. And I have to say they look very, very elegant. Little Dubarry branding on the side there. It's what I would describe as a chucker boot. They're leather lined, they're partly leather soled. They have an inlay of rubber, which I have on my Chelsea boots by Dubarry, and I have to say they wear very well. Good solid heel. You can see that is properly constructed there. It's Goodyear welted as well, which is always a sign of a really good quality boot. And I have to say, I think these will look very, very nice with a pair of jeans. I think they look very stylish and very modern as well with it. It's a sort of classic design that never really dates. Now the pierce resistance, these actually retail for £249. I picked them up in the sale on the Dubarry website for only £129. Excellent service. Ordered them one day, arrived the next day. Cannot fault it. They even gave me a delivery time within the hour, and it arrived within that specified time. So well done to Dubarry and the couriers that they use. I'll put the link in the description, and in the meantime, stay safe and stay tuned.